If you are tired of your regular snacks, I think you should consider trying this recipe. This is one snack that I can never get tired of eating. Hello, creative bangers. Let me show you this one. All right, here are the vegetables that I'll be using. In there, I have spring onions, habanero peppers, onion, and garlic. Normally, I would have added everything into my processor and blend into a rough texture. But I'm going to manually prep these vegetables so that you will not give me any excuses why you will not try this recipe. We'll start by prepping the vegetables. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, like I mentioned earlier, I am going to manually prep the veggies. They are ready now. Go ahead and set it aside. In a bowl or in a sieve, add in your flour. I'm moving with cornstarch and salt. Go ahead and sift your flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. To the sifted flour, I'm moving with dry ginger. Go ahead and mix. Now you can also use fresh ginger just like I use the other fresh vegetables. Okay, now I'm moving with the already prepped vegetables. Once you add them, you are going to move in with 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine depending on the one that you have. Then I added 1 egg. If you don't want egg, you can skip it. Okay, go ahead and mix to combine very well. After mixing, the texture is wet at this moment. Please be careful when adding water, okay? I will advise you add your water bit by bit because some flour can act funny sometimes. All right, after adding the water, I will go ahead and mix. After mixing, you should have something like this. No kneading, okay? Look at that dough, very colorful. I'm loving it. Transfer back into your mixing bowl. Allow to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, transfer to your work surface. I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. Set one aside, then we'll start working with the other half. You are going to dust with enough flour, all right? Because the vegetables might be sticking to the rolling pin while rolling. Go ahead and start rolling as flat as possible you can. Beautiful shout out to you, Esther, watching from Nigeria, Fortune from Ghana, Nicolette from Johannesburg, Winifred, watching from Uganda, and Aria, all the way from Canada. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, just like I mentioned earlier, you are going to roll as flat or as tiny as possible you can. You can roll more tinier than me, please. Now go ahead and start tearing. Once you tear, you should have something like this, a kind of towel form. Okay, no cutting, just tear. This does not require a specific shape at all. Just go ahead and tear. Once you tear, go ahead and spread it in an open tray. Okay, if you're with me at this moment, type spreading the towels at the comment section. As you can see, they look like towels. Okay, after spreading, you should have something like this. I will advise you get them ready before frying because this does not take time to fry. Like this gets ready within a minute and 30 seconds, okay, if not less than that. Go ahead and throw them one after the oil into a deep hot moderate oil. If you watch upon this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Like I mentioned earlier, it does not take time to cook. Flip it around from time to time, fry according to your preference. Once it is ready, take it out of the heat. Look at the color. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Take it out of the heat, put in an open tray in order to maintain their shape because they are very flaky. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. This tastes so good. This tasted so good. Like you can add sugar if you wish. It is very flaky. That is what I love most about this recipe. Give it a try and get back to me as usual. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.